All right, today I've got a watch on the go and we need to go to Tayte McRae's place, who does all our hand engraving, grab the hand engraved bridges, the hand engraved case back, come back here, do some assembly. So let me show what this process looks like. At the workbench, we have a few things. We have the case, which has been finished and ready to go. Then we have the movement. The movement is missing the bridges. That's what Tayte has hand engraved, so we need to go grab those. Let me show you kind of what that looks like today. So here we go, this is Tayte's workshop. There's Tayte, the man behind the magic. And here's the stuff. So I got it, heading back to my workshop and start to put things together. These are the bridges that he's hand engraved. And this is the case back where now he's done all the hard work. Now we just have to put on the inking, finish it off, put in the crystal. And we've got a case back ready to go. So I have the first two bridges onto the movement that you saw me pick up from Tayte. Here's what they look like so far. Check this out. What I'm gonna do is show you through the loop. That's it right now. Just about to put the third bridge on. Let you know how it goes. It is done, it is assembled, it is beautiful, and I love it. As usual, Tayte McRae doing his magic. Thank you for checking this video out. If you have any questions, comments, or interested in maybe using something from your own memorabilia, just reach out, steve@novowatch.com, or you can find our contact info on our website, Novo Watch, or any of the socials at NOVO Watch. Awesome guys, have an amazing day. See ya.